In this video, I will show you how to deploy your EnStation5 AC kit. This kit is intended for plug and play, and there's no configuration needed out of the box. Be advised that the EnStation5 AC is the same form factor of the EnStation AC, and they both have the exact same install process. Let's begin. To open the box, simply slice through the EnGenius protective label. When you open the box, you will get the quick installation guide, the Easy Master booklet, and you will see one EnStation5 AC device, power injector, and the mounting hardware. Once you remove the top eggshell, you'll see a carton. Please remove it, and you will see the secondary EnStation5 AC device, the power injector, and the mounting hardware. Next, we need to identify which device is the main and which one is the remote. By default, the primary device is the one that is set to access point mode. We strongly recommend that this device is connected to your router. The secondary device will be the one that is set to client bridge mode. It should be installed in the remote location. As you can see in the illustration, the EnStation5 AC with the IP address of 192.168.1.1 is installed in the main location, and the EnStation5 AC with IP address of 192.168.1.2 is located on the remote location. Remove the cover and you will see a label with all your EnStation5 AC information. And this location is where you will find the IP address of each device. You are now ready to deploy your EnStation5 AC kit. Please follow the best practice provided in the user menu. It illustrates how to properly plug in your devices, how to do a wall mount or a pole mount installation. Please note that once you have deployed your devices, they will automatically change from their default static IP addresses to DHCP mode. This means that if you intend to do any changes once deployed, you will need to look for their assigned IP addresses from your DHCP IP address table. You can also download a free IP utility like Advanced IP Scanner so you can find the assigned IP address. Type in the assigned IP address on your browser, type in your username and your password. By default is admin. Go to network, then go to wireless, and you can verify that the operation mode on device number 1 is in access point. Now we're going to go to the second device. We go to wireless under the network tab, and you can verify that the operation mode is in client bridge. We can check also the connection between both of them. Go to connections under the overview tab. You can see a complete list of the connection status. Thank you for watching this overview of the EnStation5 AC kit.